So here I am leaving Braunau. I'm in for Linz in Austria. I'm about 2 kilometers here from the German border. Just made to Germany this morning. Reason for this video to hopefully make up for the fact that all my previous videos of this city don't exist. I don't know why, but this stupid phone just doesn't work. It doesn't come on, nothing works with it. It's broken. So at least I've got my camera, but everything's gone. But I was really here. Braunau, I'm leaving on the train to Linz in Austria, and I've got to change there for a connection to Czechia, Prague. Looks like the train is on time. Getting ready to leave the city, right on the border. And it looks like quite a few stops on route to Linz. Going into the train. Which is now. So it's goodbye to Braunau. I mean, the hometown of Adolf Hitler, where I was here on the Hitler tour to check out the street, his birthplace, and spent a night in a hostel there in a converted prison. And broken phone, broken laptop. That's my memories of Braunau. I'm in, and now it's Braunau. I'm out. I'm leaving. See you later. Good night. Auf Wiedersehen. Guten Nacht. Braunau. I'm in. Some beautiful countryside coming up. So, on the way in I was able to enjoy it. Yesterday's beautiful days here, just, blue skies, marvellous.